Yes, sir, blessed love. Let's scrape on the check-in again. This is it. As you can see me there up on the farm. Put in some work, is it? But more a small reasoning with the ones on. See? One reason about herbs, you know what I mean? That's a quick reason about herbs. You know? A little testimony. I'm gonna smoke the herbs now for probably around a year. See? And yeah, personal reasons, you know. We have I have a stomach problem, right? And because of that, I kind of ease up off of the smoking. See? Now, you know, I'm at home alone with my children. You know, my wife is on the road doing some work, taking care of some business overseas. And you know, it's kind of like being a single father. You know what I mean? You're the home by yourself for the youth them. You have to take care of the youth them. You have to make sure so things are run smooth and thing. You see me I say? Yeah, getting up, getting them early for school, and you know the works, you know. And while I can manage it, because you know I love to deal with children, sometimes it gets stressful. You see me? Anyway, me one evening, couple evenings ago, I was helping my son with some work. Seeing I looked at one of some of his recent test papers, practice papers, and I realized that he was getting some low grades, you know. And you know, initially I was upset. You know, I was very upset because usually he's a student, a very good student, and you know, to see him getting these low grades, you know, it made me start to blame him now and saying, Tafari, you're not paying attention in school and you know. And I was so upset, you know, with a particular situation with him. You know, I was giving him a particular topic to do in math, and he couldn't do it, you know. And for some reason he couldn't work it out, and that made me very upset. And you know, I say, you know what, before I blow it out of proportion and thing, let me just go bonus spliff, because that's how heated I felt at the moment, you know. So I feel like I needed to just bonus spliff, just to ease the pressure, you know. And when we build the spliff and we take 2 puffs, jump in the shower, you know, the herbs start to kick in my brain, you know what I mean? And you know, I start to see things from a different perspective now. I realize that, you know, I shouldn't even be blaming Tafari for, you know, not being able to work on this problem, you know, this particular problem in the math. You know, I realize that I'm me at the issue, and me not pay enough attention to him and his work and the 3 of them, you know, overall, you know. And you know, when I come to that realization, then I realize that the herbs kind of calm me down and bring me to that meditation, you know what I mean. And then I realize, because my wife is a woman, you know, she love her herbs and things, and I always tell her, I said, yo, follow me and stop smoking and you know, things like that. But I realize that the reason why she really do, you know, the smoking that she does, you know, is because of the same reason that I did it, you know. And it kind of took me back and revealed to me again the purpose of the herbs. You see me? So we say that to say this. You know, don't fight the herbs, you know. Don't overuse it, don't misuse it. Find its purpose for you, and when you find its purpose, then use it for the purpose that you have found it for. Don't misuse it, don't abuse it, don't overdo it. Seeing herb is the healing of the nation, you see me? And also important lesson as well, be more mindful with your children, you know. Don't overreact. Take the time out to look at the situation from every angle, no matter what the topic of discussion is, and act accordingly, you know what I mean? Don't overreact with them, because it makes them feel pressured and alone, like they're in it alone, you know, and we don't want that, you know what I mean? We have to take care of our youths them, is it? So yeah, I just lay up on the farm and feel like we share that little encounter there with the item, you know what I mean? Yeah. So you don't know. Let's create salute. We're there out here in the field, down in the jungle. Best of love to the item. See? Continue to support RSR Network. You know, you don't know if you like our content, just click subscribe and you know the thing. Like, share. See? And you don't know. Music and Marriage, the podcast. We're coming back soon. See? Salute.